It's Michael. Good morning, everyone. Okay, today we continue our lesson in the breathing rate, okay, or ventilation rate, or respiration rate, respiratory rate, pulmonary ventilation rate, breathing frequency, respiratory frequency. There's so many terms, okay, but then they carry the same meaning, which is defined as the number of breaths a person takes during 1 minute. Okay, now this breathing rate, okay, can be controlled by neurons in the breathing control center. Okay, which is in the previous class I already mentioned the this breathing control center, okay, can be located in the medulla oblongata as well and as in the pons of the brain. Now, to be more specific, okay, this breathing control center, okay, they are the medullary respiratory center and the Pontine respiratory center. Okay, so from the name, okay, it implies their location. Okay, so medullary respiratory center means it must be in the medulla oblongata, and Pontine respiratory center, it must be in the pons of the brain. Okay, you can see here, this is where the pons is, okay, and this is the region of the pons, sorry, okay, and this is the pons respiratory center, okay, this oval maroon colored structure, okay, and the medullary respiratory center is here in the medulla oblongata. Okay, you can see it's here. All right, so these two structure, they work together, okay, to control the breathing rate. All right, now these neurons stimulate the diaphragm and external intercostal muscles to contract, okay, causing inhalation. Now, when these neurons stop producing impulses, what happens? The inspiratory muscle will relax and exhalation occurs. Okay, these neurons is being referred to the neurons in the breathing control center. Right now, although the muscles of breathing are skeletal muscles, okay, breathing usually controlled automatically, okay, or involuntarily. This control can be voluntarily overridden, as in hypoventilation, that is when you hold your breath, okay, or hyperventilation. Okay, now let's go into deeper about this medullary respiratory center and Pontine respiratory center. Now, medullary respiratory center consists of inspiratory center, okay, and expiratory center. Okay, the inspiratory center is located in the ventral of the medulla. Okay, and you can see it relates here, right? So this ventral of the medulla, okay, control the inspiration, okay, because it acts as inspiratory center, okay, and the dorsal and lateral of the medulla is the expiratory center, which involved in the expiration process. Okay, the inspiratory center, okay, increases the rate and depth of inspiration, and it will send impulse to the intercostal muscle as well as diaphragm to initiate inspiration. Expiratory center inhibits inspiration and stimulates expiration. Okay, and this expiratory center, they receive inhibitory impulse from the stretch receptors, which can be found in the lungs or in the intercostal muscle, okay, as well as ureter receptors, which is in the bronchi and bronchioles. Okay, now the pons, okay, it has Pontine respiratory center, okay, that moderates the breathing and interact with the medulla to smooth or synchronize the respiration. Okay, so that's it for today about this breathing control center. Okay, so any questions, please put out in the comment below, or you can email me. Thank you. Bye.